Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial I will show you how you can unsend messages on Messenger from both sides. So let's get started. Open up your Messenger app and logged into your account, and as you can see on the top the chat is open. So I want to unsend this message that I have recently sent it to this person. So as you can see, simply click on that, or you can simply hold it, hold this message, and once you hold this message you will see this options over here. So once you click on more option you will get this option, and once you click on delete, and it's gonna be pop-ups over here like that, and simply click on delete and you will see this option over here, delete from everyone or like delete from you. So simply click on delete from everyone and then it's gonna be deleted, and that's it. That's how you can unsend message on Messenger. It's super easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.